Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. What I'm having right here today is some nachos with spicy Doritos. Goddamn me. My cheese is gonna be made from scratch, goddamn me. I got a little miracle right here, as you can see. I gotta add the rest of my ingredients. My cheese is starting to melt now. American and cheddar cheese, goddamn me. I ain't gonna tell y'all all my spices I'm gonna put in here. But that's gonna be my cream cheese, homemade. I'm gonna pour on top of my nacho, goddamn me. I got me some French fries. I'm gonna have on the side. Lord, how much? Oh yeah, it's gonna eat good today. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And my beverage right here, I'm just gonna have me a fruit blended up beverage with some grape, goddamn me, both type of grape, the green and the purple, some strawberries, some bananas. And right here, my blender already had some already blended up. But oh yeah, it's gonna be a nice nutritious dinner right here. Put a little bit more in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gonna eat real good right here today. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all back in, goddamn it, when it's time to eat. And I'm starving, man, I'm starving. Yummy, 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 yummy. See what my cheese got going on right here. Put me another piece in there. Actually, that's 2 pieces in one. I like it cheesy. Oh yeah. Lord, how much? Lord, how much? Yummy.